There's plane. Yep. Yeah, I think the foam failed, like the glues.
Oh no.
The approach here is to basically hack off the nose right beyond the firewall, so I have good access to the firewall. So if you own one of these and don't want to do this repair yourself, you could ship it to me. I'd be happy to saw the front off, but that's all I'm going to do. Getting into the epoxy here, that's why it's hard to cut. Just takes a little effort there. All right, now I'm pretty much at the firewall there, and I'm not sure if I'll leave the firewall and take it out. I just wanted to show you here that looks like I'll end up taking the firewall out. So loose, and I could trace this plywood, but I'm not sure what the purpose of that would be. All right, Rocket Willie here, bringing things indoors because it's so cold outside. See the nice firewall there. I got a couple coats of glue around the perimeter. It's on there as strong as it can be. I can still feel the foam is really weak, so who knows how long that'll last. But now is the time for the next step, which is painting. And it's a perfect match. I actually ordered this from Ferrari. Custom order to match from the Ferrari paint labs, and price was actually quite reasonable. It was only $1,732 for this little bottle, but it's worth it. You know, this plane has been really good to me, so that's all I can do is treat it to the best. If I treat it well, then pretty much guaranteed it's not going to crash. So as you can see, perfect color match. Ferrari, I've used them a few times. They've never let me down. But there you go. New front end for the old Volantex Saber. All right, Rocket Willie here. Paint is dry. Ferrari red. Never looked better. Time to put the motor on. Feed the 3 wires through. Okay. Not tight, but you get the idea. And tighten them up, and we'll hook up the speed controller, put the propeller on. Alright. Motor's nice and tight. Luckily I marked where each of these 3 wires go. That is on there. There it is. Rebuilt Ascent. Stupid appearance for a stupid plane. I like it. All right. Let's attempt the Saber here. Brand new nose. Finally have time to try and fly it. All right, good enough. Okay, here we go. Yep. This thing is way out of trim.
You pull to the left or right when you're on the throttle, not go up and
Right.
down.
Yeah, it's severe up and down. I can't get a throttle setting that like...
Maybe your elevator glue broke loose or something like that. That happened on mine.
Yeah. I do not like this. Alright, I'm going to land. Is there people to the left?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of people at the playground.
Maybe I'll... Holy shit! That was uncontrollable. Much better.